Okay, and now I'm going to start on the meal time one. So again, we come down here, change directory, space, period moves us up one. Then we start with mkdir meal, and that's not an appropriate thing. Meal, and then we're going to change directory to meal, and then we're going to code meal.py. Okay, now that that's done, come back up to here. What is it saying on the hints here? Okay, so we're going to take this, we're going to copy, I'm going to paste this in here. We're going to take this, I don't know where we're putting it. So right now we'll put it up here. We have not determined what the time is yet. Okay. Oh, excuse me. Okay, recall that a stir contact method. Right, so let's figure out what we're doing first. Current time. Current time is equal to the input of our user. What time is it? Okay, and then okay. Now, what do we want to do? We want to convert time, so and that was my phone going off. Please complete the survey. Okay, well, no. Okay, so we want to so we want to convert the time. Somehow this gets used. So we're just going to put this in right now. So we have this input. We have C time. We have C time coming in, and we need to split it. Right, but this is referencing this thing here. So we'll take this and we'll put it in here. Okay, so now we've got two variables, right? We got two variables coming. We got two variables, so now we need to return. We need to return them we need to add them together. And we can't add minutes to hours until we convert the minutes. So we need this to also be a float, but we need new minutes. Right, in order to get new minutes, we need to take minutes and then you need to take minutes and divide it by 60. But that's going to come out with a bad number, so we need to turn this into a float. But if we already have it as a float, we don't need it here as a float. So it's going to return hours as a float and then minutes as a float. Okay, so what is time? Well, time is equal to convert C time. Okay, so now that's taken care of, we can do our match cases again. So we will match time in this particular case. If 7 is greater than time, or greater than or equal to 8. Uh-oh. Error. Maybe? Okay, what's the error? Oh, so it does not. It does not allow. Right. We learned this the other in the last one. It does not allow for anything. It does not allow for anything in there other than like a string or something. Right. Huh. Okay. Anyways. That doesn't work either. Okay, anyway, so yeah, we can't do that. We can only do like a keyword or something. So if match. So how can we do it though? What did we do? What did we do here? This was okay to work it out. This is where we had a bunch of different stuff going on, right? Yeah, so then. But we could still only do keywords. So I don't think we can do match time here because it just doesn't work that way. Right? Because now it becomes if wait. No, it's still coming up with an error. Yeah. It's only looking for a single argument. So if 7 is greater than or equal to time. Oh. Greater than or equal to 8. I just want you to print breakfast time. Okay. Python meal.py. What time is it? 8. Oh, whoops. Unsupported. because this is broken. It returned nothing. Why did it return nothing? Okay. Yes, it does have to be. Oops, that's in the wrong spot. So we go here. Then we go here. And if we go here, we hit here, we go 8:00. It's breakfast time. Okay. Because we like to have see if that's changed anything. Oh. That shouldn't have changed anything. Okay. So I think that'll work. Because we always want to have everything in its own function, if at all possible. So then elif time is less than or equal to or time, sorry, greater than or equal to 12, or time greater than or equal to 13. I want you to return lunchtime. Elif time is greater than equal to 18, right? I think or time is greater than or equal to 19, return dinner time. No. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's saying or, so it needs to be and. Because if it's either or, then it's never going to come down. Right? And then so then let's no soup for you. Okay. I think that'll work. Right? Because that's where we go. Let's how to test. Type 1111 and press enter. Your program should output nothing. Okay. So what if we just do that? And come back and then we go up. None. Hey, none. That's not gonna work. Something to do in here. Okay. We can't have an elif without an else, so we need to remove if we want to remove the else, we need to remove the elifs. So then we come back to here, we hit this. Comes back as none still. Will that work? Or will it come back as something? Like, does it come back as an error? Oh! Okay. So if it comes back as an error... Sorry, if it comes back fine, then... It accepts none. Okay. If that's fine by it, then that's fine. Okay. All right. Well, then that one's done, and I'm gonna take off. Stuff to do.